Hello my friends, Kabir and Avi, both 28 years of age, have finished their masters and joined city's known software firm. Both are well educated and hence the employer has offered them a decent salary of 50,000 rupees per month in hand. Now since they are young and are masters of coding, they know how successful they can become considering they use their skills in a right manner. And hence, they both have a dream of starting up their own company after gaining experience by the age of 48, means in next 20 years, which I must say is a very practical expectation, as within these years they can learn so much by working and growing up in the corporate ladder. But there is one problem that both of these young champions are facing. By the time they start their own firm, they want to ensure that there is some passive income that they should get each month from age 48 onwards, so they don't rely only on their business income till the time business picks up, as they know that they may have some responsibilities on them by that age, and getting clients and generating revenue from the business may need some time. So a regular and recurring income from investments may help and they can focus on their business. Kabir was very serious about his future plans, and because Kabir was serious, his friend Avi also used to say that he wants to start his own firm like Kabir and seemed less serious about his goals. But friends, as we all know that only big talks and no action leads to no results. And when we are serious about our goals, we should also be ready to sacrifice a bit. So one day, while on a dinner date, Kabir discussed this matter with Naina, his close friend. And there is a saying that behind every successful man there is a woman, and behind very successful men there is a right woman. And Naina was that right woman who always wanted Kabir to succeed. That's when Naina advised Kabir, instead of randomly investing in any financial product with high commission and low returns, and without knowing how much money will he need for his future, he must first get a proper financial plan in place, as failing to plan is planning to fail. Kabir took Naina's advice seriously and he was impressed with Naina's thought process, and that's when Kabir decided to speak to a certified financial planner, and he also advised his friend Avi to do the same. But Avi told Kabir, "Why consult a financial planner when my neighbor works as an agent with various insurance companies and gives free advice?" So friends, let's understand on how Kabir was able to achieve his financial goal with the right planning and what happened with Avi due to lack of planning. And my friends, before we understand this, I am Bhaven, certified financial planner, and you are watching YouTube channel The Art of Wealth Building, your one-point destination to seek an unbiased consultation on personal finance. When Avi went to his neighbor uncle and a PIC agent and told him that he wants to invest certain amount each month, his neighbor uncle immediately removed some thick, fancy and colorful brochures from his bag and started explaining him some fancy financial products. Now Avi, being a layman and a software engineer, did not understand too much, but going by the fancy name that his neighbor had mentioned in his business card, decided to trust his neighbor and purchased few policies. Uncle was not really interested in knowing what exactly Avi wanted or how much money will he need for his future goals. How will inflation impact Avi's goals? And frankly, even Avi was not serious and thought taking a free advice is a better option. On the other hand, after few days, Kabir and Naina spoke to the financial planner, and Kabir shared his goals with the certified financial planner. And since Avi was Kabir's best friend, he was invited by Kabir to listen to the conversation. But Avi was laughing at Kabir, thinking that Kabir is such an idiot to take paid advice, wherein his neighbor gave him free insurance plan. And the very first question that the financial planner asked Kabir was, "How much of an emergency funds do you have?" That's when Kabir answered, "Nothing as yet." And planner explained to him about the importance of having an emergency fund and how can he first accumulate an emergency fund, so in case of job loss or any other emergencies in between, Kabir should be ready to face the situation and may not lose the track of his goal of starting the business after 20 years at age 48. Second question that planner asked him was, what is his current income? 50,000 rupees per month, replied Kabir. That's when planner told him, assuming you will have responsibilities at age 48, you may need 80% of your per month income on the higher side at age 48 as a passive income. So if your current salary is 50,000 rupees per month, 80% of that income is 40,000 rupees per month. And considering inflation at 6%, you will need around 1,28,000 rupees per month as passive income to live same lifestyle worth 40,000 rupees today at age 48. And of course, the inflation will be there post your age 48 as well. And this 1,28,000 rupees of passive income needs to be increased by 6% each year so that you don't fall short of money. And after doing calculations and explaining logically to Kabir, Naina and Avi, planner advised Kabir that by the age of 48 in next 20 years, he must accumulate approximately 3 crore 12 lakh rupees. And this 3.12 crores will ensure that he is getting approximately 1,30,000 rupees of passive income per month with 5% per annum withdrawal rate. And Kabir can increase his withdrawal by 6% each year in line with inflation. And this corpus of 3 crore 12 lakh rupees will provide him with passive income till his age 65. Now listening to this huge amount, Kabir got little scared. But the planner told Kabir that he must not worry, as achieving this amount with the proper planning is absolutely possible. And planner gave Kabir two options. Option 1, only 10 years investment plan. Since Kabir is young and he does not have much responsibilities and he is not married yet, he may start investing 28,000 rupees per month from his salary each month and keep on increasing this investment by 11% each year. But only invest for 10 years, that is till his age 38, and post age 38 he can stop investing but let the accumulated amount grow for another 10 years till his age 48. And this will ensure that when Kabir is 48, he has the required amount of 3 crore 12 lakh rupees in his bank account with 12% return expectation in long term. And option 2, 20 years investment plan. Kabir must start investing 15,000 rupees per month and increase this investment of 15,000 rupees by same 11% each year and continue investing for 20 years till his age 48. And this will ensure that he has the required 3 crore 12 lakh rupees for his goal of generating the passive income of 1,30,000 rupees per month. Looking at these calculations, Kabir was quite impressed and thanked Naina, who gave him a right advice to speak to a financial planner. On the other hand, Avi was upset as his PIC agent had not bothered to ask him anything and was more interested in explaining fancy policies and selling some products to earn commissions, which may be much higher than the planner's fee in the long term. And Avi too decided to consult a financial planner for his future financial goals. And Avi was shocked when financial planner told him that the policy that he had purchased had so many charges and 5 years of lock-in period, and the money that he had paid towards the policy won't be returned if he stops paying the premium. Avi thanked his friends, Naina and Kabir too. So friends, I hope you got to learn on how you too can achieve a goal of regular income by following and investing as per proper financial plan. And if you wish to get your financial plan prepared and want to understand how you can achieve your financial goals, then kindly WhatsApp on the number below. If you wish to spread the financial awareness amongst your friends like the way Kabir and Naina did, then share this video with your friends. Visit our website, theartofwealthbuilding.com. Join our YouTube channel membership where we share one stock each month for long-term investing. Follow us on our social media handle Instagram and Facebook by searching for The Art of Wealth Building. And if you too wish to increase your knowledge related to financial planning and investments, then please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you get the notification of our video uploads every Sunday and Wednesday. And finally, thanks for watching.